regarding concentration terms and a few more numericals. Okay, so with these numericals, just I think let it be completed this topic. Right here, see, I am going to take a solution. A solution of this is the solution of aqueous solution of NaCl. Aqueous solution of NaCl, right? And here this is 0.5 molar of resultant solution. Chapandi, you have to say what is the nature of resultant solution? Neutral. Why is it so? So why is the resultant solution is neutral? It is the mixture of an acidic solution and a basic solution. Okay, yes, whatever it may be, pH values ni calculate cheste tarvata cheyochu. We can find the pH value, right? So this is one. And in one more example, example 3, this time I have taken 0. This is called decimolar. 0.1 decimolar aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide is taken, and in addition to that, in another trough, in another beaker, 0. Semimolar of no semimolar ma 0.05 molar of acidic solution is taken. Acidic solution, let it be sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid తీసుకున్నాము. Then what is the molarity of sulfuric acid ma? What is the molarity of acidic solution? 0.05 molar. What is the molarity of basic solution? Just 0.1. This is 0.05, and you know very well which is bigger or which is smaller. And here MB is equals to 0.1. VB is how much? Just 1 liter. VB is just 1 liter. Next, for this MA is 0.05, VA 1 liter. Now multiply MB VB is equals to 0.1. Then MA VA is equals to 0.05. Yes, which is bigger? Between these two values, 0.1 and 0.05. Which is the bigger value? Which is the higher value? 0.1 is the higher value. So it is the higher value. So that now formula for the molarity of resultant solution is equals to VB MB. Both are same na, MB VB or MB. Okay, మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారంటే అదే రాస్తాను. MB VB minus MA VA upon V total is nothing but V1 plus V2. Okay, so here on what basis we are taking? So in the previous case I have taken, what is the formula ma? MA VA minus MB VB. But in this case, in the present case, the formula is written MB VB minus MA VA. So why did we write like that? Why did we modify the formula? ఎందుకు modify చేశాం? So in whichever the solutions number of moles are more, that will be taken first. In whichever the solution number of moles are more, that will be taken first. So in the earlier case, number of moles are more for the in case of acidic solution, but in the present case number of moles are more for the basic solution. Okay, you have an acidic solution as well basic solution, and you are going to prepare a resultant solution by mixing both acidic and basic solutions. In such case, what you need to do? First you have to find in which solution number of moles are greater. Okay, so greater number of moles minus lesser number of moles, by total volume. That is the meaning of formula na? Greater number of moles minus lesser number of moles total volume upon total volume. In both cases the same thing, greater number of moles minus lesser number of moles upon total volume. So here greater number of moles of acidic solution, whereas in the present case greater number of moles of basic solution. That is the difference. Okay, right. The same thing you can do with normality also. So and these 2-3 little numericals we have practiced based on molarity. Do the same with normality also. So in case of normality, n factor will be an additional term in the formula. N factor will be there in case of normality. Right. Have you understood up to here? Huh? Right. Next one. Write a numerical. A decimolar acidic solution and a centimolar basic solution. A decimolar acidic solution and a centimolar basic solution are mixed together to prepare a resultant solution. To prepare a resultant solution. A decimolar acidic and a centimolar basic. Find its molarity. Find its molarity. That's all. Okay. A decimolar and a centimolar. Centimolar means 1/100 mole. Decimolar means 1/10 mole. Yes, what is the molarity of resultant solution? Molarity of resultant solution. So you must have done so far. ఇప్పటికే మీరు చేసి ఉండాలి. So this is what is this ma? Let us consider acidic na. When it is acidic, this one is nothing but Ma. Ma is equals 0.1, Va is equals to 1.0. Then Ma Va is equals to 0.1. Mb Vb 0.01, Vb 1.0. Mb Vb is equals to 0.01. Which is greater ma? The first one is greater. So you just substitute like this only. That's all. This is the formula. So Mr is equals to Ma Va minus Mb Vb by how much? Vt, V total, V1 plus V2. So 1.0 na 0.1 na 0.1 minus 0.0 by 2. 0.1 minus 0.01. What it becomes? 0.1 minus 0.01. 0.09. .09. So 0.09 by 2, that is equals to 0.045. 0.045. Right. Now we will do some numericals. చెప్తాను ఇవి న్యూమరికల్సే కానీ ఇవి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ లైక్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఐ హ్యావ్ సజెస్టెడ్ యూ సమ్ న్యూమరికల్స్. రైట్ అన్న. Now you have to, I will dictate the numerical, you first write the numerical. Right ma? Molarity of 0.1 n. No, this is the one of the numericals. Molarity of 0.1 n. Oxalic acid. oxalic acid. Find the molarity of 0.1 N oxalic acid. You must have solved it within 30 seconds. The basic hint, first of all 30 seconds తర్వాత after 30 seconds only I will tell you hint. మీ అఫీషియల్ టైంను మీరు యూజ్ చేయండి, చాలా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. నేను నెక్స్ట్ అవర్ ఆల్సో విల్ కంటిన్యూ. ఓకే, జస్ట్ మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తూ ఉండండి. 0.1 N oxalic acid. Your valid and most precious 30 seconds over. నన్ను అందరు స్టాప్ చేయండి, చేయడం స్టాప్ చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి నాన్న? వాట్స్ యువర్ నేమ్? జయంతి, నువ్వు నీ విజయం నీదే. ఫస్ట్ నువ్వు ఏం చేయాలి టు సాల్వ్ దట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్? ఫస్ట్ నువ్వు ఏం చేయాలంటే, సార్ నాకు ఇష్టం వచ్చింది, ఐ విల్ డూ ఇట్ నాట్ లైక్ దట్. టు సాల్వ్ దట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఫస్ట్ వాట్ యూ నీడ్ టు డూ? ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ను సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి టు ఫైండ్ 0.1 N oxalic acid molarity. Normality is given. What do you do? What is to be done? First step. Normality is given, molarity is asked. What do you do? Very good. That has to be written. First of all, write that one, all of you. So kurchondi, write. Very good. Write the relation between normality and molarity, or molarity and normality. First relation రాయండి. ఓకే మా, ఎస్, హూ హ్యావ్ సాల్వ్డ్, నేను చెప్పాను 30 seconds గేమ్, ఇట్ కుడ్ బి సాల్వ్డ్, నో ఇష్యూ. బట్ ఎవరైతే సాల్వ్ చేయలేదో వాళ్ళకు ప్రొసీజర్ తెలియాలి కదా. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ రైట్ ద రిలేషన్ బిట్వీన్ నార్మాలిటీ అండ్ మొలారిటీ, ఆర్ మొలారిటీ అండ్ నార్మాలిటీ. మొలారిటీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు నార్మాలిటీ బై n factor. Okay, so what is the molarity is given? No, we need to find molarity. What is normality? 0.1. What is the n factor of oxalic acid? Oxalic acid, yesterday also I wrote its formula, structure, everything. So COOH generally. Okay, so two replaceable hydrogen atoms are present. Two replaceable hydrogen atoms are present. That means its basicity is 2. So oxalic acid, no, for the sake of acid, what should be the n factor? Its basicity. So oxalic acid basicity is 2 because of two replaceable hydrogen atoms are present. So that 0.1 by 2, that is equals to 0.05. How little it is? Is there anything to do? అంటే మీ మెదడును పిండేసే అటువంటి ఒక చాలా భయంకరమైన క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఏమైనా ఉందా విచ్ ఇస్ స్క్వీజ్ టు యువర్ మైండ్? నథింగ్ ఈజ్ దేర్. మొలారిటీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు నార్మాలిటీ బై n factor. Normality is provided in the numerical problem and clue is given, oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is a dibasic acid. Its basicity is 2. That can be proved or that can be easily understood through its formula. లేదా 2 hydrogen atoms ఉన్నాయి. Have I told it in exceptions? No. So number of hydrogen atoms is equals to basicity by 2, nothing but this one. This is one of the next one. Write one more. Molarity of 1 molar aqueous solution. Molarity of 1 molar aqueous solution of NaOH. Molarity of 1 molar aqueous solution of NaOH. It's nothing but find the molarity of 1 molar aqueous solution of NaOH. Okay, so again your time started. First try sincerely everyone. Do not depend on others ma. మీరిద్దరు కూడా డిస్కస్ చేయొద్దు. Okay, no discussion, no observing. Okay, one another's notebook. Do sincerely. Believe yourself and believe your capacities. Don't depend on others. Normality. Now the relation between molarity and molarity. But I will suggest you don't go through the formula. Relation between molarity formula to chestara. Suppose if you want to do, you can get answer, or otherwise one more shortcut is there. Read the given data properly once to twice, then you will get that shortcut. Find the molarity of, okay, the question is nothing but find the molarity of 1 molal aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide. This is the problem. Find the molality of molarity. Find the molarity of 1 molal aqueous solution of NaOH. Okay. Who are doing by using relation? Please raise hand. Please do it. You please go ahead. You are also doing by using relation. Do it. Complete it. Okay. Who are 1 molal gives you? 1 molal gives you 1 mole of NaOH in 1 kg of water. Aqueous kada? In 1 kg of water. Because of aqueous solution. So this is nothing but I have already given aqueous solution 1 kg of water. Right. What is the formula of molarity? Molarity is equals to number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liters. Capital V stands for volume of solution. Okay. Then number of moles of solute is how many? 1. 1 by. So here solution 1 molal aqueous solution. 1 molal aqueous solution. That means what is the volume of solution? 1 mole per 1 kg is nothing but 1 liter. In case of water, 1 kg is equals to 1 liter. 1 kg is equals to 1 liter. That is equals to 1 m, capital M. 1 capital M. Okay. Vachinda? Through formula also you got it? Relation. Through relation also. Very good. But by logic it is better. Because of nothing is there. 1 molal. If you do by logic, if you do through the basics, logic ante edo kottadi kaadu, basics. If you do through the basics, then you will recall. You can recall some previous concepts also. 1 molal, 1 mole of solute in 1 kg of water. So here totally 1 molal solution is given now. That means volume of solution will be taken as 1 liter. Okay. Ikkada volume of solute is how much number of moles of solute present in 1 liter volume of solution. Number of moles of solute present in 1 liter volume of solution. So that solution only we have taken. We have taken solution only. Right. 0.1 gram mole of urea 0.1 gram mole of urea 0.1 gram mole of urea dissolved in 100 grams of water. 0.1 gram mole of urea dissolved in 100 grams of water. Find the molality. Find the molality. (0.1 gram of 1 gram mole see here, this is very important here. 0.1 gram mole. What does it mean? 0.1 gram mole means nothing but 1 gram mole means 1 mole. 1 gram mole means 1 mole. So it's not a new term. It's not a new term. Right, first of all. 0.1 so gram molecule or gram mole wait for a while. Yes, gram mole only given. 0.1 gram mole of urea dissolved in So here gram mole or gram molecule is equals to 1 mole. 1 mole. Sometimes it can also be given, no issue. 0.1 gram mole or gram molecule. 1 gram molecule. Understand? 1 mole. 1 gram molecule ante you please should not be misconcepted. just 1 gram of substance. No, 1 gram molecule means 1 mole of the substance. 1 gram atom is equals to 1 mole of the substance. Understood? So 0.1 gram mole is equals to 0.1 mole. 0.1 mole. Molality M is equals to number of moles of solute by mass of solvent in kg. Mass of solvent in kg. So number of moles of solute is 0.1. Mass of solvent in kg is 0.1. Again it is nothing but unimolal, 1 molal solution. But here according to the given data, this is also the book of JEE Advanced for the Narayana JEE Advanced. When I worked in Bangalore, akkada from that institute I have taken, just it is being with me. So almost 5 years back book. Updation అయితే లేదు, కానీ ఈ ప్రాబ్లం రాంగ్ ఇచ్చాను. ఇది కాదు కదా. సో ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లం, ప్లీజ్ గో టు ద ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లం. ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లం ఈజ్ రాంగ్ అకార్డింగ్ టు సంథింగ్ హ్యాస్ టు బి గివెన్. మొలారిటీ ఆఫ్ 1, ఒకసారి చూడండి అన్న. సి కమిటింగ్ మిస్టేక్ ఈజ్ డెఫినెట్లీ నాట్ ఎ గుడ్ థింగ్, బట్ ఆఫ్టర్ నోయింగ్ ignoring is very bad thing. Okay, so when we came to know it is not good, if you ignore it is a very bad thing. So I think definitely there is misconception in this problem. ఒకసారి చూద్దాం మళ్ళీ. go to the back problem, previous problem. Find the molarity of 1 molar aqueous solution of NaOH అన్నారు. So then I got only here I got doubt. So I got only mass of solvent na, that is mass of solvent. Mass of solvent means volume of mass of solvent means, suppose if you take if you consider or if you convert it into, you will get a volume of solvent only, not volume of a solution. This is just solvent now, water. In addition to water, what is present? What is present? Sodium hydroxide is present. That is also liquid. That is also liquid. So by this case, just we will add. Now I will take density of solution is equals to, ఈ ప్రాబ్లం నాకు గుర్తుంది, 1.02 gram per cc అనుకుందాం. Density of solution is equals to 1.0 gram per cc. Yes. Now what is the mass of solution? What do you want? Volume of solution na? What is the formula of volume? Density is equals to mass by volume. Therefore volume is equals to mass by density. Mass by density. So what is the mass of solution? Mass of solution is 1040 na. Mass of solution, అర్థం అవ్వలేదమ్మా? Not understood? Who has not understood? ఎవరికి అర్థం కావడం లేదో చెప్పండి. ఇది ఈ ప్రాబ్లము వీ హ్యావ్ సాల్వ్డ్ అండ్ వీ గాట్ ఆన్సర్ 1 నా. దట్ ఈస్ రాంగ్. ఆన్సర్ 1 రాదు. ఎందుకు రాదంటే చెప్తున్నాను నేను. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ గెట్ ఆన్సర్ 1, దేర్ మస్ట్ బి అన్ అజంప్షన్. ఇగ్నోర్ ద వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ sodium hydroxide. If you ignore the volume of sodium hydroxide, if that assumption is suggested you, then you can go with volume of solution means what? Volume of solute plus volume of solvent. But we are getting only volume of solvent na. We are not calculating or counting volume of solute. So in that case it would become wrong na. But assumption must be, if assumption is given, ignore చేయండి అన్న నోట్ మనకి ఇస్తే you can do it. అలా ఇవ్వలేదు. బై దట్ టైమ్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ఒక హింట్ అనుకుందాం. ఇది ద హింట్ ఈజ్ డెన్సిటీ ఆఫ్ సొల్యూషన్. డెన్సిటీ ఆఫ్ సొల్యూషన్ ఈజ్ 1.0 gram per cc. 1.0 gram per density of solution is 1.0 gram per 0.2 gram per cc. Then what is the mass of solution ma? Mass of solvent is 1 kg. Mass of solute is 1 mole means 1 mole of NaOH means how many grams? 40 grams. 1 mole of NaOH is equal to how many grams? 40 grams. 1 mole of NaOH is equals to 1 mole of NaOH is equals to gram molecular weight of NaOH. ante kada. 1 mole of NaOH is equals to gram molecular weight of NaOH, that is equals to 40 grams. So 1000 plus 40, 1040. So that is the mass of solution. See nana, mass of solution kada capital తీసుకుంటున్నాను. mass of solution is equals to 1040 grams. Density of solution is 1.02 gram per cc. Therefore, volume of solution, mass by density, So, mass is 1040, density is 1.02. చేయండి, that is the answer. Okay, మీరు ఫార్ములాతో ఫస్ట్ చేయండి చెప్తాను నేను. I will give you clarity for each and everything, you don't worry. (1040 by 1.02). ఆప్షన్స్ అయితే ఈజీ అవుతుంది మీకు. ఆప్షన్స్ చెప్పాలా? ఆప్షన్ 1 ఆప్షన్ 2 1.02, 1 capital M, 1.02 capital M, ఆప్షన్ 3 1.2 capital M, ఆప్షన్ 4 0.9 M capital M. చేయండి అన్న ఫాస్ట్గా చూద్దాం. This 1.02 what ma? Density kada? Density gram per milliliters. This one ma 1040 grams. Then what it becomes? దీన్ని లీటర్స్లో తీసుకోండి, వదిలేండి. డూ లైక్ దిస్ ఓన్లీ. 101 అవుతుందా? కాదు. See 1040 is there into 100 by 102. 100 by 102. So I think 1.02 వస్తుందా? 1.02. ఆప్షన్స్లో కూడా ఎర్రర్ ఉందా? మొలారిటీ ఆఫ్ 1 మోలాల్ యాక్వస్ NaOH సొల్యూషన్ అన్నాడు. సో 1 మోలాల్ మీన్స్ భాస్కర్ జరుగుతుందా? 1 మోలాల్ మీన్స్ 1 mole in 1 kg of solvent. 1 mole means 40 grams. 1 mole means 1 kg of solvent, 1 liter of water, that is 1 kg. 1040 mass అయింది మనకు. Okay, density is equal to mass by volume, then volume is equals to mass by density. Mass is 1040 and density is 1.02. దీన్ని సాల్వ్ చేస్తే వచ్చేదే మనకు ఆన్సర్. ఒకవేళ ఈవెన్ దో ఆప్షన్ విల్ నాట్ బి మ్యాచ్డ్. 1.2. 1.2 ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ దేర్. హ్యావ్ యూ డన్ ఇట్? ఓకే, రైట్. చూడండి, మీరు కూడా క్రాస్ చెక్ చేసి చూడండి. 1.2. What is left ma? 50 ones are and 1 is left. 0 02 వస్తుంది ఆశిష్. 1.02 వస్తుంది చూడండి. 1.02 1.02 మీకు అర్థం అవ్వలేదంటే చెప్తాను చూడండి. వై డిడ్ ఐ రైట్ దిస్ వన్ 1040 ఇంటూ దిస్ ఇస్ లెట్ ఇట్ బి. మనకు ఆప్షన్ ఉందా? ఇస్ దేర్ ఆప్షన్ 1.01? విల్ నాట్ బి స్టాప్డ్. 1.018 సంథింగ్ విల్ గో. సో దట్ 1.02 1.02. నెక్స్ట్ ఓకే భాస్కర్ స్టాప్ చేసి మనం రెగ్యులర్గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేద్దామా? దట్ ఈస్ ద